Hello guys! The first craft is a miniature milk bottle, and I used a tiny dropper and a little bit of acrylic paint, and that's the baby. And now let's make some fancy eyeshadows. I recycled some packaging and I also used foam paper and nail gel and some glittery eyeshadows. Hot sand is no longer a problem, since I have a brilliant solution for you, a plastic bag. This is the fastest mermaid tail you'll ever make. I used a disposable glove and nail gel. She's swimming. Now guys, let's make a squishy pineapple. So I will be using foam paper and the disposable glove again. And inside we have slime, and it comes out really soft and really pleasant to play with. Now, using kitchen wrap and air dry clay, we can make boots. Very easy guys, even for people who don't know how to sculpt. Catastrophe, Barbie is out of toilet paper, so let's make her a pack. We're gonna use toilet paper to make toilet paper, but we also made a basket. And if Barbie is bored, she can play with this miniature slime. It's really tiny and it's styled as a unicorn. What do you do if you have shoes crisis? Of course, you make new shoes. So I used hot glue and nail polish. And basically we're making here unicorn boots inspired by boots I saw on the internet. And now let's take a dropper and turn it into watermelon, and we can also use slime. Mine is pink. This is the second squishy that I made. It's strawberry. I used once again the disposable glove, and I drew a face, and in the middle I have slime with these tiny charms, and I seal it with a double-sided tape. You are looking at a candle holder. Once your candle is finished, you can use the box to make a long nose for any boots. And now we are making a slime pan. I used some plastic PVC and two metal rulers. I sealed them on a candle, and actually it's quite steady and the slime didn't mix. And now let's make a yarn swan. I also saw it on YouTube and I loved it, so I tried to make one. It's very easy to make. You can use double-sided tape on his neck, and it comes out really pretty. And now I'm making a realistic pacifier using hot glue, a small stick actually, then a regular one, and this Q-tip is good to make this tiny chain, which is actually very hard to make. Now the rest of the accessories to make the pacifier look real and really adorable. And these are two of the babies from my collection. And this is a tiny computer, and the entire catch here is that you can press the letters and they have a sponge underneath. We are making macaroon doll heels. So I used air dry clay and hot glue. To make these sandals, I used the thickest foam board that I could find and ribbons. Now this must be the silliest craft I ever made. We are making a person out of a glove. You have to remember to poke tiny holes in the fingers, otherwise the slime is not going to make progress inside. And this is the nano tape. and I love that you can fill it with glitter and it looks really transparent. So I made some very basic shoes. And this, remember this pen that we made? So these are actually tiny drinks. I saw this brand Fun Pops on the internet, and I loved how it looks. And this is a flower wreath made with napkins and cardboard. It's very easy to make. I decided to use colorful napkins, and I really loved how it came out. There I am. Finally, we're making another eyeshadows pack. I also used recycled packaging, foam paper, and nail polish. And it comes out very pretty.